Little double stick tape and some cayenne pepper. How's that? How's that working for you, huh? What do you think? Go try it. Whoa, you'll be tasting that for a week. Now you got it on your fur. Colby, you better get away. Does that make you mad? Colby. Hey, Colby. Colby. Does that make you mad? Come on. Come on. You want a drink of water? Colby. Oh, I don't know about you. I don't know about you. Do you want some more? Colby. Hey, cut it out. Isn't that a little hot? Isn't that a little hot?